and visible selfie. So, click natin ang Activate Account. Submit your documents. Upload one valid government ID, your proof of income, and your proof of billing. Select your ID type. Take a photo of the front and back of your ID. Take selfie. Review your ID info. Make sure this info matches your ID. Input marital status. Click the box and continue. Input your current residential address. In my case, unemployed ako at hindi rin naman ako work from home. Kaya, no ang choice ko dito. Pagdating naman dito sa office address, hindi pwedeng blanco ito kaya current residential address ang nilagay ko. Unemployed ako pero meron akong source and proof of income. Click continue. Select your source of income. Fill out all required fields and click continue. To finalize your installment plan, please share your proof of income and proof of billing. Click proceed. So merong proof of billing requirements at dito kayo pipili kung anong billing yung inyong i-upload. Click natin ito. So ito yung mga proof of billing na pwede nating ipasa. Internet bill ang pinasa ko dito at okay lang kahit hindi nakapangalan sa atin. Wait for approval. Wait for your account to be verified, which can happen instantly or within 24 hours. So merong case na hindi agad na-approve within 24 hours, pwede tayong mag-follow up. Pwede tayong mag-email sa kanila at mag-follow up ng ating application. After a few days ay nakareceive na ako ng email at message sa mismong app. Your Bilis application has been approved. You know what this means. Time to go shopping. Avail your installment plan now. Ang starting available balance ko dito ay 6,000. Una ko siyang sinubukang gamitin sa pagbabayad ng internet bill at titingnan natin kung 0% nga siya. Open your Bilis app and tap Bills.